Would you like to know how to keep your sales team motivated, charge up, fire up, and they can sell at this time? क्या आप अपनी सेल्स टीम को फायर अप रखना चाहेंगे? और यू आर अ सिंगल मैन and you are running your sales business, whatever you are selling. So in this video I'm going to give 5 points that will definitely will help you to sell, close, and stay focused, stay fired up at this point of time. Okay, so point number 1, it's all about you. What do I mean by that? See, charity begin from home. If you think कि आप अपनी सेल्स टीम को इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं, मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, चार्ज अप कर सकते हैं, एंड यू आर नॉट फायर्ड अप, यू आर फीलिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड, आप डर में हैं, आप घबरा रहे हैं, एंड यू आर थिंकिंग योर पीपल शुड बी फायर्ड अप, दैट विल नॉट हैपन. सो रिमेंबर दैट, जिस सेना की टुकड़ी का जो हेड होता है, अगर वो आगे आगे चलता है और वो दिखाता है आइए लेट मी सबसे पहले गोली मैं खाऊंगा, तो उसकी टीम हमेशा उसके साथ खड़ी होती है. और आप अगर उनमें से हैं कि नहीं मैं अपनी टीम को आगे फेंक दूंगा और मैं पीछे आ जाऊंगा, वो नहीं होने वाला. ओके, सो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल आई वांट टू शेयर हियर विथ यू राइट नाउ. वो सेना जो शेरों की है लेकिन उसको लीड करने वाला कोई भेड़ है. शेरों की सेना अगर कोई भेड़ लीड कर रहा है और एक सेना जो भेड़ों की है और उसको शेर लीड कर रहा है, दोनों पता है कौन सी पावरफुल होगी? भेड़ों की सेना जिसको शेर लीड कर रहा है. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज द लीडरशिप इज ऑल अबाउट द बिजनेस लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट लीडरशिप. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट रिमेंबर दैट इट ऑल स्टार्ट विथ यू स्टे फोकस, यू बी फायर्ड अप. पॉइंट नंबर 2, कम्युनिकेशन इज द की. कम्युनिकेट. You know what? Communication can break any barrier. If you can communicate, you can win the whole game. बात करने से ही बात बनती है. Communication can break any barrier. So make sure that if you are communicating to your team every single day, and the more pressure come from external world, the more you have to be connected very deeply and closely. And that's what I teach to my client, the people who have sales team. You should communicate to your sales team every single day and every single night or evening. If you don't communicate, you will lose the game. Okay, point number 3, do not follow the danda philosophy. Now what is this danda philosophy? Danda philosophy से भाई मैं तो प्रेशर दे काम करा लूँगा, मैं डंडा दूंगा और काम आ जाएगा, बिजनेस आ जाएगा. इट्स अ वेरी टेम्परेरी वे ऑफ डूइंग द बिजनेस. बट व्हाट कैन हेल्प यू एंड हैज़ हेल्प टू लॉट ऑफ माई क्लाइंट, दैट इज फॉलो अ फिलॉसफी कॉल लेट मी शो हाउ टू डू इट. कैसे? आप अपनी टीम को बोलिए कि चलिए आइए मैं दिखाता हूँ कैसे काम होता है, या तो बोलो नहीं जी ये करना है एंड जस्ट डू इट, मेरे को तो बिजनेस चाहिए बॉस. दूसरी फिलॉसफी है आइए मैं दिखाता हूँ कैसे काम होता है, जैसे कि कैसे फ़ोन कॉल करते हैं, कैसे ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडल करते हैं, कैसे क्लोज करते हैं, जब क्लाइंट कुछ कहता है उसको कैसे डील करते हैं. सो देम, इफ़ यू जस्ट ओनली टेल देम व्हाट टू डू, दे मे और मे नॉट डू, बट इफ़ यू शो देम हाउ टू डू इट step by step, it will make a huge difference. What I do when I coach any sales team, I just don't tell them. I pick up a phone call and I make phone call in front of them. I do things in front of them. Whatever I am telling them, this is how you do it, I'll just make sure I am doing in front of them. That's called show them philosophy, not under philosophy. Point number 4, stay with your people. Stay with your people means वो लीडर जो अपनी टीम के साथ हमेशा खड़ा होता है, चाहे वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं या ख़राब कर रहे हैं. If you think in my team, when my team will perform, then I will stay with my team and rest of the time I'm not with them. That will not work. You have to stay with your team, you have to be with them, you have to support them and tell them they are safe and secure, not to worry about the job and like the money. You have to stay with them, come what may, and especially at this time, because you know what, people need security. If you can just tell them, boss, your job is safe, be here, I'm going to help you out, then you can win their heart. Okay, if you can win their heart, they will give their life to you, I'm telling you. And point number 5, it's a very important point. Tell your team, especially if they're not getting result, tell them not to worry too much about result, not to focus too much on result, just stay focused and consistent on their effort. And say it's okay if you don't have any result right now, just stay focused on the action, stay focused. I can give guarantee, अगर कोई टीम every single day guided action जो मैं बताता हूँ अगर ले रही है, 100% guarantee है their sales will boom up, no doubt about it. But people are not consistent with their effort, and that's why they don't have sale. At this time, my clients are like growing like crazy. You know why? Because in my team, in my communications, Corona is not a subject. Economy is not a subject. We don't even talk about it. Okay? What we talk about? Our goal. ध्यान रखना, जो आप बात करते हैं, that shows your state of mind. My mind is filled with my goal. And how can I help my client? Okay, so these are 5 points I gave you. Let me recap. The first point, be a tour guide. Show them, like, be a tour guide means what? Be a leader. Okay. Point number 2, communication. Communicate to your team. Point number 3, don't follow the Danda philosophy. Tell them how to do it. Point number 4, stay with them. And point number 5, tell them not to worry too much about the result, but stay focused on the action. Now, if you found this video is very useful, the first thing I want you to subscribe this channel. And you can share your comments what you like about this video. And also, if you want that me to help you and your sales team to really multiply their sales at this time, you want me to coach you, guide you, then click on the link below, and you can schedule a one-on-one with me at my calendar system, and then we'll see if it will work. Then maybe I can help you for your sales and your business. Thank you very much. All the best. Stay focused. Do not allow any corona and all. Stay focused on your goal and work hard. You will achieve your goal. Thank you very much. All the best.